Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video we will see that how we can manage different sales teams for our sales process. Okay, so first of all we will go to settings, and we are showing you that we are using Odoo 13 Enterprise Edition. So here to define the sales team, basically to configure sales teams, to manage sales teams, first of all we have to go to sales menu, and in the configuration part you can see sales teams menu over here. So here, as you can see, that there are two demo data are already defined. Okay, so we will make one sales team. So basically we will take this sales team, that is Europe, or whether you can give them different names like this. So here basically you can see that we can give them options like quotations and pipeline. Okay, so if we want to send quotations to our customers rather than confirming orders in the straight way, so we can take this boolean, and for the pipeline also to manage their pre-sale process with opportunities when these all things coming from the CRM opportunities, and those opportunities will be converted to that to the respected sales quotations, then this boolean will be helpful. So basically have to define the team leader, that who will gonna manage this team. Okay, so we will define one team leader over here. For that different users should be predefined, here should be managed. Okay, so this is prerequisites. Okay, next thing is related to that email alias. So we can create our own domain related by our company. For example, like our company name is this, like this, synconics.technologies Private Limited, and we can manage our own domain name like that sales @synconics.technologies.com, like that. Or for purchase we can define a second email alias like purchase@synconics.technologies.com. So basically when we want to define a specific email alias specifically, so we will give that particular name over here, like sales @yourwebsite.com, like this. So all these mails coming under this domain will be automatically fetched by the system when your incoming mail servers will be configured perfectly. Okay, and outgoing mail servers, when these emails will be sent by this team, so it will be redirected as this particular email alias to their respective recipients. Okay, and accept emails from everyone, authenticated partners and followers only. So you can select multiple options over here. Now assign to which person, so we can define here assigned persons, like this. Invoice target, so basically for different sales teams, they have been assigned their related invoicing target, say weekly, monthly, quarterly, for 6 months, for yearly, like this. So you can define your team's related invoicing target over here, and for which company basically we are making these sales teams. So here we can define different companies for multi-company scenarios. So here we will define those, this, like this, and we'll change this like this. After defining this all primary data, we will gonna add these team members, so that who will be members for this particular team A, sales team A. So we will add these members. So here system will provide options to select multiple members, like we are defining these 3 members. These 4 members, like this, and we'll select them. So these team members will be get added over here, right? So now we will see that what will be used for this defined sales teams A. Okay, so different quotations, different sales orders while got generated, so they have been assigned to different kinds of sales teams to be get managed quickly. and in optimized way. Alright, so by going to orders and quotations, you can see that we can define different teams over here. So as like this, by going to quotations, in this other info, you can define the related assigned persons. So in this, the sales team A, by default assigned persons will be me sales admin, that's why it is giving me salesperson here. And if you want to define to another person for this particular sales team A, we can define several persons over here. By going to next quotation, this is other info, we can select multiple sales teams. So here I will select sales team A and I can define to John. So like this, after defining these sales teams and salesperson, so those respective users will be able to manage this particular sales quotations, or we can say sales orders, by login to their account and proceed for further operations. So this is main fundamentals of how we can define, how we can configure, and how we can manage different kinds of sales teams. And by going to configuration sales teams, you can be able to manage multiple sales teams, assign them sales leaders, sales team leaders, and sales team members over here, and you can manage multiple sales teams by this configuration and sales teams menu, and you can use them easily in quotations as well as in orders by going to others info tab, right? Thank you for watching.